How to create and share custom stickers on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on creating your custom stickers on Telegram. Let's get started. First off, open up the Telegram application on your device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and then search for stickers. You'll find the stickers bot right here with over 800,000 users. So just tap on it and you can see all of the commands right here. /newpack for static or PNG WEBP stickers. New video, you can also use help for a full list of commands. Tap on start down below. And then from there you can easily tap on new pack to create a new sticker pack. Now you can just choose a name for your sticker set. Tap on send. Once you have done that, you can send the sticker. The image file should be PNG or WebApp, and the transparent layer must fit into a 512 by 512 pixels or less. Then once you have done that, you can easily send it over to this chat. You can find this sticker example.psd. Tap on it, open up the link, and you can easily find the example sticker right here. So go ahead and tap on it to view the sticker. Now all you have to do is upload your image. Now you have to send your image as a file. Now you can just send the sticker emoji, and you can also list several emoji in one message, but you can recommend using no more than 2 per sticker. So just use random emoji to show your sticker. So what I'm going to do is just select a random sticker, like let's just do these 2 stickers. Tap and send. Now you have successfully set this as your sticker. To simply send, tap the publish command and you're good to go. So just provide a short name for your sticker, hit send. It has to be unique. So just go ahead and do something like this. Now you've successfully gotten your sticker pack, so just tap on it and you can easily find your custom sticker here. You can send the sticker and you'll be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. Now you can send it anywhere in the chat. I'll just go over here, tap on this sticker icon, and you're gonna be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.